Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's been a very long time. Anyways, the weather finally is breaking up in Michigan. It's getting a little bit warmer. So pretty soon it's gonna be a bike season, so I'm gonna do a little upgrade on my bike. I received my Klock Werks windshield today. I'm gonna be replacing my Harley Davidson one. This is a 8-inch wind splitter. I also have a 10-inch one from Harley Davidson, and they both works fantastic. I mean, this windshield works very nice. You can go down the highway 80 miles an hour and still hear your radio. It blocks the wind pretty nice. But because my bike being black, and I don't think the look is very nice with this one, a clear windshield. So I wanted to get something more darker so it looks nicer with a fairing. And also this Klock Werks. Looks like it's gonna block the wind a little bit better, but that's still to be determined. I'm not gonna say anything until I put it on a bike and go actually for a ride and see how it's gonna work. But other than that, the bike is still stage 1 with a Klock Werks pipes, Screaming Eagle filter, and a Screaming Eagle tuner. The bike runs very, very, very nice. The way it's set up right now, no complaints whatsoever. But I'm in a works. I'm talking to speed shops around Michigan here. I'm about to get a stage 2 camshaft install on it. One from Cyclorama, more likely. And that's gonna be happening here within another month or 2 or so. So we'll see how that's gonna work out. But anyways, let me get going and install this windshield over here and show it to you guys, see how you guys gonna like it. So let's make a nice shot of this one, the Harley Davidson one. A nice shot. It's a nice windscreen. Like I said, works nice, protects very well. But I just wanted something different for this summer, so hopefully that one gonna work out pretty nice. Okay guys, so this is what's coming in the box. So you got the windshield itself, a couple of bottom brackets, top brackets, and 4 screws. It should be really simple enough install for you guys. There you have it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install that and explain to you afterwards how it's done. It's pretty much just undo these bolts over here, pull this out, pull the brackets on the bottom, brackets on the top, tied it down, and that's pretty much it. I mean, really is nothing to it. Okay guys, here we are. Moment of truth. We're gonna take this plastic off. And here, wow. Wow, that actually looks absolutely beautiful. Wow, what an improvement. Whoa. Nice job, Klock Werks. Oh no. No, it's good. So, here it is, guys. I'm gonna put a link down below if you guys wanna check those out. I'm not sponsored by these guys whatsoever. I bought this with my own money. But I just wanted to improve the look on my bike a little bit. And this definitely looks much nicer than my Harley one. But if anyone wants the Harley one, it's right there. I got an 8-inch and I got a 10-inch from Harley if you want it. Shoot me an email, send me a text, and it's yours. Here's from the back. Looks absolutely beautiful. Now I'm gonna get dressed and take it for a short ride to see how it works. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon in another. Okay guys, I just come back from a short test ride. It's very hard for me to say whether this is better than a Harley one as far as the wind protection goes and whatnot, because there is 40 to 50 miles an hour wind out there. It's a very windy, but I got up to 100 miles an hour a couple times in a crosswind. The bike seemed to be nice and stable and whatnot, but it's gonna be a better test hopefully tomorrow if the winds died out a little bit, but it's gonna be a little colder. But I will take it on a freeway. That's when I will know whether that performs better than a Harley one or not. because I am a highway rider and I know how my bike behaves with that Windshield from Harley Davidson. And tomorrow I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna jump on a freeway. I'm gonna do 40 or 50 miles, just ride it hard like I normally do on a highway, 80, 90 miles an hour, and I'm gonna have a better idea to let you guys know how this windshield works and whatnot. But thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. I can't wait to get the camshaft. The bike is already beast as is. The way it is right now, I can't imagine with a camshaft. She's gonna be a ripping bloody murder. Bye guys. See you soon with another video. Bye.